Welcome back to Current with Jack. Let's be honest, cables are usually boring, but not today. The biggest disruption in PC gaming right now is a single cable. Welcome to Thunderbolt 5. For decades, if you wanted top tier gaming performance, you had to buy a massive desktop tower. Laptops were great for portability, but they simply couldn't move enough data fast enough to keep up with high-end desktop graphics cards. You were forced to choose portability or power. But what if I told you that in 2026 you don't have to choose anymore? To understand why this is a massive deal, look at where we've been. For almost a decade, we've been stuck hitting our heads against a 40 GB per second ceiling. Thunderbolt 3 introduced the dream of a one cable setup, and Thunderbolt 4 made it much more reliable. But for hardcore gamers and video editors, 40 GB just wasn't enough pipe to push heavy data and high refresh rate monitors at the same time. Thunderbolt 5 finally breaks that ceiling, doubling the baseline speed right out of the gate. But here is where the magic happens. Bandwidth boost. Think of a highway where the lanes can magically change direction based on traffic. If you plug in a massive 8K monitor or a triple 4K setup for sim racing, the cable detects that heavy outbound video traffic. It dynamically shifts its internal lanes to give you a massive 120 gigabytes of outbound speed. Now, let's talk about why this is the desktop killer. External GPUs. In the past, if you tried to plug an external graphics card into a laptop, your games would stutter. Why? Because the PCIe lane, the tunnel that carries the actual gaming data, was bottlenecked. Thunderbolt 5 rips that bottleneck wide open. By doubling the PCIe link to 64 gigabytes, your external RTX card can finally stretch its legs. You could take your thin laptop to a coffee shop to work, come home, plug in one cable, and instantly have a 4K gaming beast. When you look at the raw numbers side by side, it almost looks like a typo. We aren't just seeing a 10 or 15% generational bump here. We are seeing 3 times the peak bandwidth. We are jumping from dual 4K monitors to pushing 3 4K displays at a buttery smooth 144 Hz. It is a complete generational leap. But speed is only half the story. Let's talk about power bricks. You know those massive heavy blocks you have to carry around in your backpack to keep your gaming laptop alive? They are officially dead. Because Thunderbolt 5 supports 240 watts of extended power range, your dock can now power everything. One single wall plug goes into your dock, then one single Thunderbolt 5 cable goes to your laptop, delivering your internet, your monitors, your mouse, your keyboard, and all the power your system needs to run at full speed. And that is the real takeaway here. Thunderbolt 5 isn't just about giving tech nerds a bigger number on a spec sheet, it's about a single cable future where the laptop finally has the true, uncompromised power of a desktop PC. That's the guide on Thunderbolt 5. I want to know what you guys think. Is 120 gigabytes enough to finally make you ditch your desktop power? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to use that Wrekin AV promo code. Drop a like if you learned something. And join the OpsterGaming Discord. Stay current, and I'll see you guys next week. For now, goodbye.